I could easily kill you right now. Can we be friends? Yeah? Lay on the ground. Lay down. Lay down.
Spread your cheeks.
Get back up. Lay back down. Sing me a song.
Hold up, I'm beaming, yeah. When you see me up on the stage, you know she's screaming, yeah. She know this make her twitch and I ain't even screaming, yeah. Excuse me, sir, please do not say things Hold up, little bitch, I am speaking. They say it's odd that I get what I spend, cause I always break even, yeah. Really spent my whole entire mortgage in the morning, I broke even by the evening. When your life is better than your dreams, you gotta realize there's not a point in sleeping it. If you acted cool to me with intentions,
Hello?
we never gonna speak.
Any enemies around here?
Came clean, but I came clean. A fucking gatekeeper, I'm a hub over your secret. Y'all should have expected this. Okay. Loading.
Oh, okay. They're behind me and in front of me. Guys, we might have some metal on us. Hostiles on alpha position.
I'm gonna try to go back to Charlie.
Yo guys, we don't have to speak like that. We're on the terrorist team.
Americans, what are you? Infidel, where are you, infidel?
Idiot. Oh, grenade! Oh! Why did I slide towards the grenade?
Yo, somebody come with B.
Oh! What are you doing?
Yo, they're taking A.
Oh, what?
Oi.
A as in apple? A as in alpha male?
A as in Iowa, like Iowa.
What?
Hey, watch out, I'm about to throw a grenade at you.
Do it.
I'm throwing a grenade! Watch out! Watch out! Cover your eyes! Look out! I'm throwing a grenade!
Yo, you're stuck.
Okay, there's like 14 people in that hall. Do not go. They're on B as in Bapple.
They're taking C as in Koi. Wait, he was not on our team? I wasn't gonna kill him.
I just emptied a full mag into him.
I have to reload! Wait!
I wasn't gonna kill him. I thought he was cool. Oh,
Dropped another one down there. Remy, why are you just standing in corners, man?
yeah, Remy or whatever. I'm throwing a grenade at you to get you out of the Oh, you.
He died somehow. I don't know.
I'm scared because.
Hey, it's okay. I shot him in the head, really, really hard.
I was gonna throw a grenade at him to get him out of the corner.
I thought he might be stuck a little bit, you know, trying to help.
He just threw a grenade behind me.
Did you fly in front of me? That was really scary.
Hey, they're taking everything.
This guy knows what he's doing. This guy's got the strat.
Okay, reloading.
He doesn't exist either.
Hey, we are on Bravo. Taking Bravo. I am at Bravo.
Obliterated. Oh! 360 no scope. Does that count? Take it, Charlie. Oh. Hostile down. Hey, hey, don't shoot me, don't shoot me. Do you wanna be friends?
You shot me.
No!
Fuck you.
I'm right behind you and I could easily kill you. Can we be friends? Hey, stop running away. Come back. I want to be friends. I'm right behind you. Can we be friends? Can we be friends, please? I won't shoot you. Yay! Got a friend! Yeah! Bro, I was just trying to make a friend! Let's go, let's go. Alright, right behind you, let's go.
We got A. Good job. Shit, we're losing A.
Don't know how he didn't kill me. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Hello? Are you in my house? Does anyone want to be my friend? You. Hey, I'm right behind you. Can we be friends? Can we be friends? I'm right behind you. Can we be friends? Can we be friends? Turn around, bro. Can we be friends?
You try to be friends with Ben?
He said we couldn't be friends.
Sir, oh shit, he's up there.
Loading.
All right, Charlie taken. Mahlakum.
Don't worry, I got this. Oh! Come out, come out!
I hear you, my man. Hear you.
Bro, these guys are so mean. Just trying to be friends, and they just keep shooting me, you know?
Yeah, it's not very nice. Hey,
Just like at school.
hey guys.
Okay, I'm on Alpha.
I hear another motherfucker near me.
Is it me?
Yeah, it's definitely you.
Is that necessary?
Hey, come on, man. Just be friends.
We should move.
Be nice, guys. Listen, peace and love is all we need to solve the war. Peace and love and a little bit of automatic guns. That's all we need. Listen, all we have to do is be nice to them and they will give us A. Like this. Hello, I'm a very nice person and I do not want to kill you. Please give me...
Hold up, I'm beaming. Yeah, when you see me up on the stage, you know she's screaming.